Good morning students, welcome back our online classes Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our whole numbers second chapter that is. So in previous classes already we have discussed about the different pattern about that divisions, multiplication of whole numbers, but today we are going to discuss about that division of the algorithm or the division of algorithm. What is that, what are the procedures we have to discuss. Already in previous classes students you have studied that division of the integers, that whole number and natural numbers, but now we are going to discuss about that what is how we will get, what is that dividend, what is the quotient, what is the remainder. We have to think and we have to see that what is the procedure. Students, observe here, if a whole number is x, suppose one number you are taking x, what is the statements? What is the statements of algorithm? Division of algorithm is one statements. How we have to, how like we are doing that divisions, and what are the parts about that we are discussing. That is called as a division algorithm. So express by that with the algebraic expression with you have to understand that you should observe. Suppose if your whole number is x, x is one whole number. Okay, careful observations. Is divided by a non-zero whole number y. That means x is divided by y. Okay, students, careful observe. X is divided by y. If a whole number is x and is divided by a non-zero whole number, that is y. Okay, then there is a quotient. There is a quotient. Quotient, what is that? Q. Result what will come out? Quotient is q, that is quotient. Quotient is q and remainder r. What is that? R. This is the remainder will come r. This is the remainder. Okay, students. So when x is one number, whole number, and y is a non-zero whole number, whenever we are dividing, then the quotient will come quotient q and the remainder r. Okay, students. So such that how like it is coming, students, observe here, x is equal to, if like that, then x is equal to yq plus r. X is one whole number, which one is divided by y, and the quotient which multiply then plus remainder. This is, I will explain to you, students. So where r and q are the whole numbers, r and the q, quotient and the remainder also on a whole numbers. So how like the divisions, students? You do two lines like that you can make also, or you can like this also you can do. Okay, as your choice you can do, but this way it is very easy for you. So remember, students, these two lines you should make the divisions. One is first right here x. This is called as, middle part is called a dividend, and left side part is called a divisor, and this right side part is called a quotient, and the last part is called a remainder. Did you understand? Four parts are there, four sides. So first one part like this, you two lines you make. This whole, this part, middle part, what is that? That is called as dividend. That means here which one is dividend? X. So x I have written. And in this part x is divided by y is divisor. So we can write here. And x to y dividing, after we are writing before here, don't write here, you should write here, right side. X is divided by y, we are writing, that is the quotient. Y into q is equal to write here, yq. This subtraction to whatever it will come, that is the remainder. Okay, friends? X is one whole number and we are dividing with y, that quotient will come q. And y into q we are writing here, then x is the subtraction we are doing, that is the remainder. Okay, which one is called as a remainder. Okay, friends, this is for you that algorithm of division of algorithm. But if you write this one formula, this is algorithm formula, what is that? This is x is equal to dividend. Dividend is equal to, what is that? Yq. Y means one is divisor into quotient, or you can write this is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay friends, this you write and remember the students formula. Dividend is equal to this middle part, that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Very carefully remember friends. Once again I will write nicely. Dividend is equal to, second, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this is the formula of algorithm, division of algorithm. Are you clear friends? The dividend is equal to quotient plus divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means this number, whenever you should want to get, if this number with this number you have to multiply, and if you add this, then we can get what is the dividend. Okay, so I hope you have understand about the division of algorithm. Division of algorithm is if a whole number x is divided by a non-whole number, non-zero whole number, that is y, then there is exist a quotient q and remainder r, such that x is equal to yq plus r, where r and q are whole numbers. Okay, so this is the things about that division of algorithm. We can take one more example also, you can understand now students. Already I have told you that, but once you repeat it. Suppose 25 divided by 4. Example we are taking friends. 25 divided by 4. Okay friends. In this is called as dividend and this is called as divisor. Are you clear? This is dividend by which that is called as a divisor. So how we will do? By algorithm that division we can do. First 25 you can write 2 lines. Okay friends? You do like this way. This is dividend, divisor is 4, so write down here 4 double what, where is the 25? 4 6 is 24. Subtraction 1. Okay friends? Now observe friends, this is divisor, this is dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient, this is remainder. Okay, so now observe friends, what is that we got? We know that algorithm formula. Dividend is equal to, what is that? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so is equal to, what you can do? You see friends, divisor 4, quotient 6 plus 1. 4 into 6, 24 plus 1, 25. Is it 25? Yes. If it is correct, then your division is correct. How will you check it? Now, you should divide this into this plus 1. If you add, then compulsory the dividend will come. Dividend finding purposes, the formula divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 4 into 6, 24 plus 1, 25. 25 is the dividend. Okay friends? This is the formula about that algorithm. Okay. So next you should do that homework for you. Exercise 2.2 you should do if the textbook is there. Otherwise you should do and check your own 5 divisions. Okay. 5 own you should make it and you do the divisions and check it with the algorithm formula. Okay. Thank you all of you. Next we will discuss about that pattern in the next video. Thank you.